What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Jeez. We're here over in the middle of nowhere, Florida. We're about to actually do a legit autocross course, our very first time. I've got Frankie and Lewis with us today. Frankie brought his GT3RS, Lewis brought his 718, and then I brought the C8. Oh guys, y'all haven't seen this yet because I just finished it last night. We went ahead, took off that stripe, and went ahead and did the hood black. And then we did the roof black. I think it looks way better than the stripe. Honestly, I should have done this first. But anyways, we're about to start our first autocross. We just had our drivers meeting. Over there, you'll see about 7 or 8 vets lined up. They're about to go do their first parade lap. And then one at a time, they'll hit this course. It's a big roundabout that goes around these trees. You can't see, but behind that school bus, there's a tent there where we get our times. We bring our times over to this tent. They post it on a board there. Unfortunately, it is raining in Florida right now, so I don't expect to get really quick times. We do have the GoPro Max on the back of the car. All right, guys, we got any predictions on who's gonna win this?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, what's your prediction?
So he's gonna knock down a few cones and it's gonna add like 50 minutes to his time.
So every cone you hit, it's 2 seconds, right? Yeah, every cone you hit is 2 seconds, and there's no box at the very end. You just go through a finish line. What was your prediction?
I think Frankie's gonna hit the lights at the end and have to stroke a check for $500 for a place time.
If you hit the timing lights at the very end, they make you pay for the lights. Oh, the other Corvettes are going now. They're doing their lap. So Frankie's gonna lose, what you're saying?
Frankie's gonna lose. You're gonna come in second. Obviously, the tuned 400 wheel horsepower lowered Cayman S is gonna win the event.
What if you lose though?
If I lose, I'll buy lunch.
Oh, you heard it. Wait, if you lose to both of us, or if you just lose in general? If you don't get first place?
No, if I lose to both of you.
Oh, what? Frankie, I need you to step it up, brother. I need you to step it up.
So third place has to buy lunch.
Okay, third place buys lunch.
Third place buys lunch.
Deal?
Yeah, deal.
Deal.
That's
Deal?
an official loser.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome because that means me and you're getting free lunch today.
Guaranteed lunch, nice. So we have 7 runs before lunch and 7 runs after lunch, so a total of 14 runs. So are we going like the best run like before lunch? We have a 30-minute break. Food after, the fastest time out of all 14 runs. To start our first round, our first session. Helmets on. Woo! I am pumped. This is about to get crazy. It sucks that it's raining, so we're not gonna get the best time. The fastest time so far is a 45 or 46 second run, and it was done by, I wanna say a C7. All right, I gotta figure my thing. I want manual mode. Woo! Here we go, guys. I'm pretty nervous, but I'm pumped. So in track mode, I think I'm gonna leave it. It's really wet outside, so I think I was gonna put in competitive driving mode, but let me get a few rounds. You know what? Let's go competitive driving mode. All right, so we're going ESC competitive mode. We got it in track. We're ready to rip. All right, guys, we're about to do our run next. We got about 30 seconds. So we're shooting off to the right. Here we go. I'm gonna get my windshield wipers on just so I can see. Good, here we go. Because the rain, oh my goodness, that was so nerve-wracking. I have no idea how long that took. It felt like it took forever. I felt like I was going so slow. Can't wait to see my time. All right, so the best times right now are like 46 seconds. I just want to be under a minute. Just don't let me get last place. Oh man, that was tough. That was not easy. And I think when we do the afternoon runs, I think it'll be drier, hopefully. Well, it's still raining, so maybe not. But hopefully it'll get drier. Hello, hello.
All right, good time.
Thank you. See you guys. Woo, guys, we got a 49.9. There's no way. I ran that so slow too. That's not bad. We could definitely make up some time there. That's too cool. First time on the board, 49.9. I wonder what Lewis got. Here you are, sir. Thank you. Woo, that was scary, guys. We got 2 more runs and then we take a break. Woo, so I'm just gonna try to get faster than a 49.9. Now it's starting to rain like a lot, so I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna go. I wonder what Lewis got. I wanna call him. What'd you get, dude?
Bro, I got a 51.27.
Oh, dang! Dude, I got like a 59.
59?
Bro, how sketchy is this in the rain?
You know, not at all. I feel like my car, like, bro, I wasn't breaking loose, nothing.
Really? Dang, dude, what gear? Are you in manual or automatic? You're still in the PDK do it?
I'm in sport plus automatic.
I've been doing manual. I wonder if I should try. No, I'm gonna go manual for sure. No, bro, I got 49.
You got 49 down. This is a very fun course. Like, I could do this all day.
Oh, literally, bro, I can just do laps. All right, guys, we are about to do round 2. I've got that car angled, so I go right out of the hole. Last time I went straight and then to the right, so maybe let's cut off a couple tenths. How many did I hit?
2.
I hit 2. Oh, thank you.
1 at station 1 and 1 at station 5.
I hit the very first one.
Very first one and the last one.
Thanks, guys.
Cone rash now.
I know. Dude, I got some on the side. Oh man, guys, if I didn't hit any cones, we would have done really well. I got a 46.7, but I nailed 2 cones, so that's now a 50.7. All right, we just got parked up. Let's go find Lewis. See what he got. All right, what'd you get?
I got, right now, my fastest time was a 47.
No.
But then I hit a cone.
Yes! Yes!
So my fastest time without hitting a cone is 49.
49 point what?
49.67.
Ooh.
What are you at?
I just ran another 46 seconds.
Okay.
But I hit a cone. So I'm at 48.8.
Consistent with the 46.
I am, bro. Oh, we go look at the leaderboard. Where are you at, Lewis? Where are you at?
49. Oh, so I guess I did a
50?
I did a 48.
No, you did 50. You did 52. It's 50 plus the second.
Yeah,
Nice though, nice try.
Dang, what are these numbers, Lewis? 51.8, 49.6, and then a 50.1. Whittington, 49.9, 46.7, 46.8. Dude, I'm pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Consistently hitting cones.
Consistent.
And then our boy Frankie, we're looking at a 102. He would take that one really slow, I remember, and then 53. Yeah.
Yeah, the first one you gotta go
Definitely.
slow.
All right, so Frankie just did his 3rd lap, and he got a 49.1. But now we're all competitive, huh?
Now it's getting real. 49 what?
He got a 49.1. So he's ahead of you. What do you have?
49.67. No, I'm not.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Too funny.
Damn it.
Oh yeah, Frankie. Oh yeah. How do you feel about that one?
Yeah, he doesn't even want to take off his helmet. He's like, that's it.
How was that one?
The last one was the best one. I did 49 seconds.
49.1.
Yeah.
You know what place you're in? You're in 2nd.
Oh, what did you get?
I got a 46. I got
Plus 2.
So my very first one was a 49, and it was a clean run. Then my second was a 46, but I hit 2 cones. My 3rd one was a 46, but I hit 1 cone. So I'm at a 48 point.
I haven't hit any cones.
Yeah, you've also ran slow, so.
I nailed a cone back.
Oh, I did too. They said you get skid marks on the side of your car. Where's yours?
I don't know. I feel like I nailed it like right here. Oh, this.
That's it?
Yeah.
Is that cone?
Yeah.
Do I have conage on mine? I got a wrap on mine, so we're good if I did. But I don't see anything. I don't see any cone damage over here either. All right guys, so this time around for the second round, I've got the camera off on the right side of the car. Try to get you guys a different angle as we're going through this course here. All right, let's go ahead and turn competitive mode on. We're in first gear, manual mode, track mode. All right, here's our first shot in the second round. All right, I think we're about to start. Here we go. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, I just burned out forever there. Woo, a lot more grip right now. It's dried up a little bit. Much better in the dry. All here. Woo, cruise control, traction control's going a little crazy. Oh, nailed the cone. Every time! Ah! In that fifth station, that last station, I nailed that center cone every time. But it is drier, there's a lot more grip, so hopefully we'll get some pretty quick times. Man, I can't believe I hit that cone. Hit that cone again, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's definitely drying up though. 43.9. Holy cow, knocked off 3 seconds from my fastest time last time, but we did hit a cone. So technically we got a 45.9. Let's give Lewis a call.
Yo, what'd you get?
What'd you get?
47.4 without hitting anything.
Dang!
Yup.
You know what I got?
What?
43!
No, you didn't! Damn, dude, that's sick!
But-
Holy crap!
But I hit a cone.
Ah, man, so you got 45.
45.9.
45.9. You gotta stop hitting those cones, Matt.
Bro, I'm hitting the same exact cone every single time.
Bro, that's not good.
It's that fifth station.
Yeah, a 43 would have been sick.
Yeah, but dude, what's great is the grip is amazing now. And bro, I barely pushed it right there, so I'm pretty sure I can nail like a 41.
Bro, Frankie was saying he had no grip.
Really?
Yeah, Frankie got a 50.51.
What the heck?
All right, wait, I gotta let you go.
But man, guys, if you all have an autocross event near you and you have a car that you'd like to autocross, go do it. Because man, this is so much fun. Everybody's having a blast.
I have not hit a single cone.
Really?
Wow,
It's because you haven't gone fast enough yet.
If you haven't almost died, Frankie, you're not driving fast enough. Because me and Matt have almost died.
I did almost die. 41.3. Oh my gosh, I'm literally almost the fastest time. 41.2 is the fastest. Oh no, he got a +1. Am I the fastest of the day?
I think so.
No.
Check 29.
29
Yeah, he has the plus 41.6.
Dude, so you're the fastest so far.
of the day. That's pretty sweet.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I'm what, the third fastest? Fourth fastest?
No,
Third.
bro, the people got 41s all day. What are you talking about?
This is not a Porsche.
All right, guys, we had lunch and we already did our third session. I was a little sleepy after lunch, so I didn't vlog it, but this is our last and final session. We got 4 runs in here. In my third session, I got a 40.6. So I'm gonna try to beat that 40.6. My goal is to get a 39.9. Like, that's all I want. So we'll see if we can make that happen. So far against the guys, I'm still in first place. Second place is Lewis, I believe, with 42.9 or something like that. So we're still 2 seconds ahead of them. We're gonna get that free dinner. All right, guys, here goes our first attempt in our 4th round. I'm gonna try to go in automatic mode this time. I've been doing manual mode this entire time, but I think I'm gonna go automatic mode, see what the transmission can do. Also, my tire pressure was getting kind of high. It got to 35, so I dropped our fronts down to 32. So we're 32 all around now. automatic mode. It just didn't downshift when it was supposed to. Like, that was no good, to be honest. Frankie and Lewis had that PDK transmission, and that thing shifts exactly when you need to, downshifts when it needs to, like everything. This transmission, not so much. And
What the heck?
so I tried automatic mode this time,
Didn't
and
work.
it's totally different. All right, so I guess I win the award for hitting the most cones. I nailed 4 cones right there. 42.5 with 4 cones. So that's a 50. All right, guys, this is our last and final lap. I don't know what their fastest time is. Ours is a 40.5. We're trying to get a 39.9 so we can be number 1 throughout the whole day. Once we get back, we'll find out what the guys did. Hopefully we're still in first so we can get a free dinner tonight. Here we go. Felt pretty good though. Find out here in a second.
Come on, man, you're killing me.
Did I hit another one? Ah! Ah! See you guys, thank you. 40.4, so my fastest time all day, but I hit 1 cone. So 42.4 technically. All right, guys, we are all done. We're gonna go check out the standings. Lewis, did you get better than a 40 point something?
I did not. I did not.
No?
Yeah, you definitely won that.
I think I'm getting free dinner, that's for sure. Let's see what we did here against everyone. Looks like, looking here, 40s, 47s, 40, 40, 40, 40. So really it's just Harry with his 40.1. I think he's got the fastest, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. And then my best one was a 40.4. And I got a +1 because I hit a cone. So my best official time, what's my best time? Bro, I hit a cone every single time. So 40.9, my very first run of my 3rd round. Yeah, I nailed 4 cones there. Not my best run at all. But yeah, so my best is a 40.9. Frankie's best is a what, 42.2? 42.2 for Frankie. And Luis Rodriguez.
42.
42.6. Wait, so Lewis lost?
No. Wait, Frankie?
Lewis lost.
Yeah.
Lewis lost.
Wait, no.
Lewis, the 718 did not beat. Did you tell all your subscribers that you won?
Wait.
Okay, let's talk about it.
Frankie has a 42.2.
0.2. Where's yours?
And then Lewis clearly has something better than that.
That's Matt Whittington. You're on the wrong one. That's me.
Okay, wait.
Don't try to beat me.
So I got a.
Yeah, man, we already saw it. We already looked at it all. That's a +1. That's a +1. That's a +1. Dang!
No way.
Lewis!
Wait, when did
That's really cool. So Lewis was shooting a vlog and he thought that he won. So he already told all his fans that he won, beat this GT3RS, but he didn't even win. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm exhausted. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see y'all next video. Later.